Namaskar, welcome to Exercise Explained. In this video, we would be doing question number 1 and question number 2. Exercise 5C, Upthrust in Fluids, Archimedes Principle and Floatation, ICSE 9th Physics. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and consider subscribing to the channel. Starting with the first question. A rubber ball floats on water with its volume 1/3 volume outside water. So outside water 1/3 of the volume is there. We need to find the density of rubber. So for doing this, we can write total volume. We can assume total volume as X. So volume outside water will be equal to 1/3x, that is nothing but x by 3. Now if volume outside water is x by 3, volume inside water will be equal to x minus x divided by 3. It's like, let's say, out of 100 rupees, 30 rupees is taken by your friend. So how much amount is left with you? It's going to be the total amount minus the amount taken by your friend. So similarly here, total amount was x. So total volume was x. Volume outside water was x by 3. So volume inside water will be x minus x by 3. So we take the LCM here. Once we take the LCM, LCM is 3. Here I get it as 3x minus x. So we get this as 2x by 3. So volume inside water is going to be equal to 2x by 3. Now we have got volume inside water. Now we would be using the formula which we have in the chapter, that is volume of immersed part. So we will call it as volume of immersed part divided by total volume will be equal to density of the body. So in our case we will write density of rubber divided by density of liquid. So in our case the liquid is water, so I would write it as density of water. This part is totally separate, so I would make a line here. Yeah. So now that we have got this, we will be substituting the values. Volume of the immersed part, so that is volume inside water, we got this as 2x by 3. So I can write this as 2x divided by 3. The entire thing divided by total volume, we considered it as x, is equal to density of rubber, we don't know. So let us consider that something, let's say, let us consider that as y, divided by density of water. Now density of water in SI unit is 1000 kg per meter cube. We are supposed to remember this. I would write the given data here. Density of water is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube, and density of rubber, I would write that density of rubber is equal to y. So it's pretty simple. We need to solve this. So 3 comes to the denominator. We get 2x divided by 3 into x is equal to y divided by 1000. X and x cancels. So we get y is equal to 1000 goes to the other side into 2 divided by 3. So once we do the calculations here, we are going to get 2000 divided by 3. So 2000 divided by 3 approximately gives us 667, and since we are finding it in SI unit, so kgm to the power of minus 3. So density of rubber, we got it as 667 kg per meter cube. Now getting to the next question. So for the next question, a block of wood of mass 24 kg. So here the mass is given as 24 kg, floats in water. So density of the liquid is going to be density of water. Volume is given as 0.032 meter cube. We need to find few things here. So the first thing we need to find is volume of block below the surface of water, and then we need to find density of wood. So first I'll be doing the B part here, because we need to do the B part first, otherwise we'll not be getting the first part answer. So B, density of wood. So we know density of wood, density formula is mass divided by volume. So our mass is 24 kg divided by volume is 0.032. So 24 divided by 0.032 gives us 750. So we get the density of wood as 750 kg per meter cube. Density of water, we are supposed to remember, that is 1000 kg per meter cube. Now we will be using the same formula which we used, that is volume of immersed part of the body, volume of immersed part of body divided by total volume is equal to density of wood. So here I would write rho of wood divided by rho of water. Now we would be substituting. We would take density of immersed part of the body as x. So I take this as x. We'll write it properly. X divided by total volume is given in the question as 0.032 is equal to density of wood, we just found it as 750 divided by density of water, we know it as 1000. Cancelling zeros here, 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100. So we get x is equal to 3 divided by 4 into 0.032. Now since we have 3 places of decimal, I would multiply numerator and denominator by 1000. So into 1000 divided by 1000. So we get this as, we get x is equal to 3 into 32 divided by 4 into 1000. Now 4 8s are 32. So and 8 into 3 is 24. So we get 24 divided by 1000. Do not cancel this as that would complicate things. We can directly write this as 0.024, and since this is volume, it's going to be in meter cube. So the volume of the block below the surface of water happens to be 0.024 meter cube, and density of wood happens to be 750 kg per meter cube. Question number 3 onwards would be done in the next video, the link for which will be provided in the description below. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and consider subscribing to the channel. So see you guys in the next video. Dhanyavad.